Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert text to mesh in Blender. So if you would like to do it, first we need to do is go to add, then we need to click on text and type here text that you want to use. Then we need to go to object. You will see here a lot of really useful settings. One of them is convert, and here we have something like mesh. We need to select this one option. And now our text is converted to mesh. If you would like to edit it, you need to change mode from object mode to edit mode, and I will zoom it. And for example, if you will select this one option, face selection mode, and you will select one from available faces and press E, you will be able to expand this. Of course, you can use another shortcut. For example, if you press G, you will be able to make operation or action, something like that. And it is how it works. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. I encourage you to check links in the description of this video. And that's all. Thank you for watching.